Hi. It's the tiny one slash Bishie. And yes, I know the bed looks a mess. Please ignore that. Um, it's currently a work in progress, but I am super tired right now. I got a package on Friday though, and I haven't been able to film it until now just because of tiredness, needing a rest, whatever. So now we're filming it. Oh, I got, ooh, that's so cute. And it's addressed to me. I love the little creature right there. I think it's drinking coffee. And of course, if anyone knows me, Hello Kitty is one of my favorite characters. Ooh, let's see. Okay, and then look how cute. Basically, it's a letter thanking me for the item. So, this is from one of my friends who goes by, I believe it's KittyBear Cosplay. Let me check Twitter real quick. I know I'm all dark. Yeah, she's KittyBear on, let's see. Going a little dark for a second. I know. So put together. On YouTube, she is known as Angel X624. I will link her channel down below. But let's see. Let's open it. Ugh. I am so burpy right now, excuse me. But look, she made me a cute little Ronnie doll to go with my grill. Look how cute. I love how the back is with his two-toned hair. And then we got his cute little glasses and his little Reaper outfit. This is so cute. I've been wanting a Ronald Knox little plush for my grill for a while now. And I finally have one. Here, let me get grill real quick. Ooh, no. Whoop. Okay, so here is cute little Grelly, and then here is little Ronnie. So that he can keep an eye on him. But he's supposed to be patting him on the head. But yeah, whoop. And my webpage moved. This is so cute. Oh, I love it. Okay. And so she is a fellow cosplayer. She is also a crafter. She has made her own costume. She's made her own props. And she's gotten into plushie making. And so I thought I'd commission her because, I mean, why not? And I'm super happy that my first little Ronnie. And as she, you know, continues along with getting plushies, I might commission her again and have like a little army of little Ronnies. Because that'd be so cute. Girl, what are you doing? There we go. So what I'm thinking is, because I have I shouldn't really say a product. I have a cosplay that I'm working on. It's kind of a secret cosplay. I'll reveal it closer to ALA, because yes, I'm bringing it to ALA, but I think taking Ronnie this time would be awesome. Last time I was this character, I had Grell's little was it her little the Grell's little ragdoll Sebastian. So this will be cool. I just want to keep petting his little hair. It's so cute. But anyways, if you are a crafter out there and you also want to make me Ronnies so that I can add to the Knox army so that they can annoy William, just let me know. We could say it's some weird accident with the Reapers where he just multiplied himself somehow. I don't know. That fandom is full of like magic and weird stuff, and I can see that happening. Have like a little army of them for whatever reason. That, you know, be really cute is if I made like a little lawnmower for him. But then again, Grell doesn't have the little chance. Actually, ooh, hold on one moment. Hold on. Here's a better scale. He is so dusty though. Put you down for a second. Oh my god, you're so dusty. Oh. But yeah, I got this little Grell a while ago, and so he's kind of like minced in on my shelf, and he's, like I said, he's gotten kind of dusty, but so cute. I got this Grell when I first got one of my a couple of my Grell cosplays, and the person who sent them to me sent this little one with it. So cute. I also have the Pop Grell over there, so yeah, like I wanted an army of Ronnies, I had a little army of Grellies, which I will add to whenever I find other Grells. Anyways, so that's going to be it for this video. Like I said, I will put their info down below. I was so happy to get their little commission. I might commission them again for other projects because get all the plushies that you can't normally get, you know. That is kind of a shame though that whoever decided to start making plushies of like CL and Sebastian and Grell, why can't they make plushies of all the other Reapers, or at least like make a Ronald and make a William plushie, especially since William and Ronald are now more in that universe. I mean, or an Undertaker plushie. I mean, they have an Undertaker pop. Why not make an Undertaker plushie? You know, just saying. Although I do have a plushie of a pigeon. He's back in one of my little bags. And that's what I use to represent William, since supposedly a pigeon is like his signature animal. Yeah. Anyways, that's all for now. I'm Gassy. Thank you so much for watching. And I know, a video on my cosplay channel, what? Stay safe, stay happy, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.